Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Missy, your farm lady. If this is your first time, you're warmly welcome. So today I'm teaching my farm supervisor practically how to use the sachet disc, right? Sachet disc is one tool you should have as a fish farmer if you're using Atnim pond as a rearing facility, and if you rely on algae or natural food in your pond to see how you can reduce the quantity of feed you use. So that's what I'm doing today. So that's Patrick. Patrick is my farm supervisor, so I'm teaching him practically how to measure the amount of phytoplankton, aka algae, in the pond to really know, so that we'll be able to do that, because we do collect water quality data on a weekly basis on our farm. So this is Agro Fish Farm here with the fish farming, and yeah, that's what we do. And we are using Atnim pond, aka natural pond. That's what we are doing. So anytime you come around, you're welcome to this farm. So that's what Patrick is doing right now. So there are three colors on the sachet discs. You have the green, the red, and the blue, right? So the red mean like there's excess algae, meaning you have to stop applying whatever fertilizer you're using. And if it's green, meaning you're okay. If it's blue, that means you have nothing. So this pond is a little bit different, greener than the others, because I'm using it for a research purpose. I want to know, I'm using certain type of inorganic fertilizer and a certain type of feed, so I want to know what will be the growth rate, right? So that's why you can see it has something like a film on top of it. So yeah, but all of the rest of my pond are green because we rely on natural food to some extent, so that we'll be able to have enough food for our fish. And also, fish farming is relatively still new in Sierra Leone, so I always endeavor to really like teach my staff on a daily basis, and I encourage them as well to ask me questions as and when they are performing their duty for them to be effective, right? And also I was having chit chat with my staff, like, do I say something very funny here as well? So like while I was doing this, I was chatting with them, and they are also making some requests like, okay madam, we need an overall that will make look very sexy on the farm. I was like, okay, I will see what I'll do about it. So like we are really discussing, and yeah, we are talking different things that day on the farm, and as well catching fun with them. It's really necessary at times for you to really have some chit chat and also have some fun with your staff, and so on and so forth, because it makes the work much easier for them, right? And if you're enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. It helps us with the algorithm. And if you don't know how to make a sachet disc, I'll put a link to a video which I talk about how to make a sachet disc. It's a very simple way to make it. It's not that difficult to make, right? I'll put the link to that video for you to go and watch. Yeah guys, so that's what we are doing today. And anytime you come around in Sierra Leone, you're warmly welcome to Agro Fish Farm. We operate in Sierra Leone, Southern Sierra Leone, and Bo District to be precise. And if you're in Sierra Leone as well, you're welcome. We operate in southern parts of Sierra Leone, Bo District, Tawama community as well. You're warmly welcome. And if you see anything you think we can correct on this video, please don't forget to write it in the comment section. As always, I love you. See you.